How to turn on or off invert colors while Magnifier is on in Windows 11. Windows includes several accessibility tools to assist users with special needs. One of these is the Magnifier, which enlarges parts of the screen to help users with visual impairments. The Magnifier also lets users invert colors in the magnified area to improve visibility. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Prerequisites. These steps work on all editions of Windows 11, Home, Pro, and Enterprise. You don't need administrator access to follow them, but make sure Magnifier is turned on, as the color inversion only takes effect when it's active. Method 1. Enable or disable via Settings app. This is the simplest method and is ideal for everyday Windows 11 users. Open Settings using Windows + I or by clicking Start, Settings. Go to Accessibility, Magnifier. Scroll to the Appearance section. Find the Invert Colors toggle and switch it. On inverts screen colors while Magnifier is on. Off keeps normal colors. The change applies instantly when Magnifier is active. Method 2. Toggle via Magnifier shortcut. This quick method is perfect for casual Windows 11 users who want to quickly adjust the Magnifier's color inversion setting easily. While the Magnifier is active, press Ctrl + Alt + I to instantly invert or restore screen colors. Method 3. Enable or disable via Registry Editor. This method is best for advanced users or admins who want more control and the ability to set default options for all users. Press Windows + R, type regedit, and press Enter to open the Registry Editor. Go to Find a value named Invert. Double-click Invert and set its value to 1 = Enable Color Inversion, 0 = Disable Color Inversion. Click OK, then close the Registry Editor. Method 4. PowerShell Script for Automation. This method is helpful for setting accessibility defaults per user across multiple devices, such as through automation or deployment tools. Press Windows + R, type PowerShell, and press Enter to open PowerShell. To enable color inversion, enter To disable color inversion, enter Color inversion in Magnifier helps users with visual impairments, but some may prefer it off. Windows provides several ways to adjust this setting. Whether you're a casual user or an admin, these methods let you customize or manage Magnifier's color inversion to suit your accessibility or deployment needs. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to turn on or off invert colors while Magnifier is on in Windows 11, linked in the description below.